So the next speaker is Eddy Bernard from the Université Gustave Eiffel in Paris, and he will talk about weighted composition of semigroup on Banach spaces of holomorphic functions. Please, Eddy.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers for inviting me because I really wanted to talk about this topic for a long time. So today I will talk about weighted composition semigroups on Banach space of holomorphic functions. To begin, I recall what is a strongly continuous semigroup, even if Isabelle already said that earlier. So let X be a Banach space, a family ST of a bounded linear operator on X is a strongly continuous semigroup on X if it satisfies these three conditions. So two conditions, two algebraic conditions, and a continuity condition. And with a strongly continuous semigroup, we can define an operator A given like this, which is called the infinitesimal generator of the strongly semigroup. And this one is closed and densely defined, and it determines uniquely the strongly continuous semigroup or C0 semigroup. Next, I will define what is a weighted composition operator. So let omega be a non-empty open simply connected subset of C, and phi and m two holomorphic functions where phi goes to omega in omega and m in omega to C. We define the weighted composition operator WM phi on the Frechet space all omega, which is the set of all function of analytic function defined on omega. So we define the operator by WM phi f is equal to m times f round phi. So basically a composition where with a weight m. Remark that in the case we consider the restriction of this operator of a Banach space of analytic function, which is included in all omega. We require that WM phi of x is a subset of x to well define this operator. So, for example, we can take x equal the Hardy space H2. Isabelle already said that, but we have Cephi of H2 is the subset of H2. Cephi is a composition operator. So to have the required condition, we can take the condition that m is a function of h infinity to have WM phi of H2 is a subset of H2 and well define this operator. Next, we'll consider family of operator like this. So we introduce a time dependency for the composition function phi and for the weight m. So here I define what is a semi-flow. So it is a family phi t function of holomorphic function of omega in omega, satisfying these three conditions. In the same idea of strongly continuous semigroup, we can Bergeon and Portal show that there exists a function, an holomorphic function, capital J, such that for all t we have this equality, and capital J is given by this form, and we call this holomorphic function the generator of the semiflow, and this function determines the semiflow. We can show that we consider semiflow because in order to have that the family of weighted composition operator defined like this with in tight dependency have a chance to become a strongly continuous semigroup. In the same way, we consider the time dependency of the weight. So we define a cocycle for a semiflow phi t. A cocycle is a family of analytic function mt goes to omega in C, define verifying this three condition. We can show that the second one involves the semiflow. And next proposition shown by Koning in 1990, which tells us that MT, the cocycle MT, is bounded if and only if the limit sup when t tends to 0 of the infinity norm of MT is finite. And another one that MT has no 0 for all t greater than 0. These two properties of cocycle are very important to show the several following next result. And in the sequel, we use the following function En defined like this, where En z is equal to z power n for all n. So now we can define what is a family of weighted composition operator. So let phi t be a semiflow on omega with capital J its generator. X be a Banach space of analytic function on omega, and MT a family of holomorphic function of omega in C. We call family of weighted composition operator on X the family of operator ST defined like this. So STF is equal to MTF round phi t for all t greater than 0 and for all f in X. And here is a result, generalization of result obtained by Siskakis and Koning. They treat the case of RD spaces, HP for all p between 0 and infinity. Here we consider a Banach space which embed continuously in the Frechet space all omega, and satisfying that E0 and E1 in X. And if ST is defined like this, is a strongly continuous semigroup on X with the generator gamma, then MT is a cocycle for the semiflow phi. The map G defined like this is analytic, and we have also that MT is given by this exponential form, and the generator is given by gamma f is equal to GF plus capital J F prime. And here is another generalization of result of Siskakis obtained in 1986. It treats for this theorem the case of HP space between 1 and infinity. So here we consider a Banach space of uniformly convex Banach space, which embed continuously on all omega. We let G an analytic function satisfying that sup over omega of the real part of G is finite. We let ST a family of weighted composition operator with the weight MT is given by this form. If X satisfying these two inequality here and here, the first one is for the multiplication and the second one for the composition, where the constant CT verifying that the limit when t tends to 0 of this constant CT is equal to 1, then if the uniformly convex Banach space verifying this this assumption, then ST is a strongly continuous semigroup on X. And for example, we have the Hardy space and the Bellman space with P between 1 and infinity. So Siskakis show that ST defined like previously here. Then ST is a strongly continuous semigroup on HP with P between 0 and 1, also with the same conditions for the function G. To show this result, we can use the following result. Let X be a Banach space. If there exists a Banach space X prime such that S prime embed continuously on X and X prime is dense in X, and ST, a family of bonded linear operator on X, is a strongly continuous semigroup on X prime, then ST is also a strongly continuous semigroup on X. We can use this result for example, to the space X is equal to the Hardy space HQ with Q between 0 and 1, and X prime is equal to HP with P between 1 and infinity. Indeed, we have HP embed continuously in HQ, and HP is dense in HQ. Here we are going to see that for certain conditions on X, we have that the generator of the strongly continuous of weighted composition operator is continuous if and only if capital J is equal to 0. That is the semi-flow is trivial. So here we suppose that En in the domain of the generator gamma for all n. We suppose that G defined like this is bounded, and we suppose these two inequalities, donc this one and this one, where C and Cn are positive constant, such that the limit here as n tend to infinity of the norm of En on X over n Cn is equal to 0. So if X satisfying this condition, then gamma is continuous if and only if capital J is equal to 0. And we have, for example, we can show very easily that the Hardy space HP with P between 1 and infinity satisfying this condition, because we have the norm of En is equal to 1, and the norm of Enf is equal to norm of F. We can show that the weighted Dirichlet space d alpha, when alpha is between 1 and infinity, satisfy also these assumptions with a little more of calculation. And I recall that d alpha is the space of analytic function f on D such that this quantity is finite. So now I will talk about the reciprocal implication. That is, if the infinitesimal generator gamma of ST at the form gamma f is equal to GF plus capital J F prime, then the strongly continuous semigroup is a family of weighted composition operators given like this, where phi is a semiflow and mt is a cocycle for phi. In 2019, Gallardo Gutierrez and Jakubowicz studied the case where J is equal to 0, with omega is equal to unique disk, and for certain condition on X. And in that case, they show that gamma generate a strongly continuous semigroup of composition operators. So they show that ST is equal to MT is equal to 1 for all T. And the same years, Arendt and Chalander show basically the same result with other conditions on X and with and domain omega open and simply connected. And they treat also the case where G is equal to 0. So here, generalization of result of Arendt and Chalander. In the case here, we use the same assumption for the Banach-Specht they use in 2019, which is the following one: X embed continuously on all omega, and X satisfy the following evaluation condition. So let Zn in omega such that Zn tends to Z in the closed omega and a union infinity, and a limit as n tend to infinity of f Zn exists in C for all f, then we have Z in omega. So if we take capital J in all omega be the generator of the semiflow here, not necessarily global, and J an holomorphic function, ST strongly continuous semigroup on X with generator gamma given by gamma F is equal to GF plus capital J F prime for all F in the domain of omega. Then in that case, we have that the semiflow is global, so tau Z is equal to infinity, and ST is a family of weighted composition operators given like this, with MT is given by the same exponential form here. And for example, we can take the Hardy space HP of omega with P between 1 and infinity. We can show that this space satisfy the evaluation condition here for example, for omega the unit disk, or omega the right half plane. So here I talk about result very here donc result of Gallardo, Gutierrez, Seskakis, Jakubowicz obtained very recently in 2021. They show that they treat here the case where G is different to 0 with the same condition that they use in 2019 with the case where G is equal to 0, which is the following one. All the closed unique disk is embed continuously on X, and X embed continuously on all the D, where all of the closed unique disk is the set of all function of f of holomorphic function on D, so that there exists an open subset of the closed unique disk, so that f extend analytically on it. And if we take capital J and G, two holomorphic function, and gamma defined like this, they show that if gamma generate a strongly continuous semigroup on X, then he generate a strongly continuous semigroup of weighted composition operators. So we can remark in conclusion that if we take J an holomorphic function and J a function of H infinity, and we define an operator gamma f is equal to GF plus capital J of f prime, then with the several conditions on X, the following assertions are equivalent. So gamma generate a strongly continuous semigroup S on X is equivalent to that the semiflow phi generated by the function capital J is global. And in that case, we have that ST is a family of weighted composition operator given like this for all f in X and for all t greater than 0. So here references that I use in this talk, and thanks for your attention.
So thank you, Eddie. Any question?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes. This is very nice results. I have a question concerning the last remark. I mean, you said they are under several conditions, or under some conditions on X. These two things are equivalent. So the flow is global and having a strongly continuous semigroup. What are the conditions? Is this the same as in the two theorems you cited? I mean, one is yours, and the other one is which is just above. I mean, there's probably this whole D bar injected into X or something. Is this these conditions, or are there further conditions on X?
We can take this condition, for example, or the condition use here. The following condition here, and the evaluation condition plus this embedding, and we can take also this one.
And this probably one can characterize also by G. I mean, that the flow is global. I mean, by this condition of Chalendar and Partington, real part of G. No, is this not the same, if I remember? But of course, I mean, this is maybe just a remark, because you look for conditions on the Banach space and on the semigroup, of course. I mean, and not on the flow itself. I mean, this is somehow another question. Yeah, yeah, that's very nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Any other question? So if not, let's thank the speaker again.